Hello dear friends, today I will show you that, how can you make an amazing photo manipulation with simple and easy technique. To create this manipulation you will need some stock images. I have provided the download link in this video description. First you need an island image. Second you will need a top view of sea water. Third you will need a hunting sharkfish. And finally you will need 2 boats. You can also use any other boats. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my latest tutorials. First take a new document. I'm taking 1280 by 720 pixels with 300 resolution. Now first we will move this water image to our new document. To move the image first unlock the layer, then drag the image like I'm doing. You can also use copy and paste command. Before resizing any image, always convert the image into Smart Object. Right click on the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. To enable the free transformation, go to Edit and choose Free Transformation. To zoom out, press and hold the Control key and press the minus key from your keyboard. Right-click and rotate the image 90° clockwise. You can also use the shortcut key to open the free transform by pressing the Ctrl+T. This time right-click and choose Flip Horizontal. To merge the both images here we will use layer mask. How to use I show you, just watch carefully. First make sure that island image is selected. Then click on layer mask button. Make sure black is selected as your foreground and white for background respectively. To change the brush size you can use square bracket keys. Now we will place the sharkfish image here. If you are using the older version of Photoshop, don't forget to press and hold the Shift key before resizing the image. Change the blend mode to soft light. You can place the shark fish anywhere, it's totally up to you. Now I will apply a layer mask, but you can skip this step. I'm just trying to hide some part of her tail to make more realistic. Now it's time to add the boats. To select the boat layers, select one layer, then press and hold the Shift key, then click on the second layer. You can use any other images and place them anywhere you want. Okay, I'm happy with this. Now we need to match the boats with our background. But first I will add some drop shadow for boats. Let's merge the both boat layers as one layer. Select the both layers, then press the Ctrl+E. Now double click on the layer to open the layer style window. Select drop shadow. Change the opacity to 60. Angle is 90 degree. Use global light. Distance is 21, spread is 0 and size is also 21. Now press the OK to continue. See before and after. Now to match the boats with background. I will take a snapshot of background layer first. Hide the other layers first before taking the snapshot. To take snapshot, first create a new layer on top, then press and hold Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt, and then press E from your keyboard. Enable the hidden layers and change the blend mode of snapshot layer, from normal to soft light. Now I want to apply the background layer only to boats, so I will use layer clipping mask. To apply the clipping mask, press and hold the Alt key and drag the mouse between both layers. As you can see, the cursor is changing, then left click to apply. Now change the opacity to match. Delete this extra layer to save the space. Now I will take another snapshot of all layers for final touch-up. Repeat the same shortcut keys to do this: Ctrl, Shift, Alt and A. Now you can hide the all other layers. As you can see, we have merged the all layers as one layer. Now to enhance the beauty, you can use color gradients or color lookup. I will use color lookup here. You can play with opacity. You can try different color lookup, and you can use multiple color lookups, do experiments, and create new effects. I hope you will like this simple and easy photo manipulation tutorial. In future I will also show you advanced photo manipulation techniques. Please don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching.